Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare long beans masala fry. This is a North Indian style preparation. It can be served with both chapattis as well as with rice. Let us see how to prepare long beans masala fry. Here I have taken 400 grams of long beans. I have washed them well, then cut off the edges. Then I have taken an onion, a 1-inch piece of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilli, a tomato, half a capsicum and a few coriander leaves. I have cut the long beans into 1-inch long pieces. I have cut the capsicum into small pieces. I have finely chopped the remaining vegetables. Let us heat a pan. Let us add 4 tablespoon oil. Let us add half teaspoon mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have spluttered. Let us add the chopped ginger, garlic, green chilli. The ginger and garlic is well sautéed now. Let us add the chopped onion. The onion is well sautéed now. Let us add the chopped tomato. The tomato is a little fried now. Let us add the long beans. Let us fry it well. As the long beans gets fried, all the other vegetables will also get fried. The long beans is half fried now. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon red chilli powder. Let us add quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds powder. Let us add salt. Long beans is well fried. Now let us add the chopped capsicum. We have fried the capsicum for 2 minutes. This is sufficient. Let us add the coriander leaves. Let us mix it well. Let us turn off the gas. Long beans masala fry is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving dish. Hope you like the long beans masala fry preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.